Hi there, this is Mrs. Cariotti from the Citizenship Academy in Syracuse, New York. As you can see on the screen in front of you with what I'm sharing with you, we are going to continue to review our beginning letter sounds for letters S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So the directions at the top of this page say, look at the picture and determine the beginning letter sound that matches. Now again, our beginning letter sound is the first sound we hear when we say our words. So before we begin, let's go ahead and review our sounds for the letters that we have on our sheet. So here we have the letter S. What does S say by itself? S says S. 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 S says S. Make sure you're reviewing along with me. This is the letter T. What does the letter T say? T says T, T, T. T says T, T, T. Now, coming up next is the letter U. Now, the letter U is one of those special letters we have in our alphabet called a vowel. A vowel. U. What does U say all by itself? U says Moving right along, let's take a look at the next letter. This is the letter V. What does V say by itself? V says V. V. Coming up next is the letter W. What does the letter W say? Letter W says W, W, W. After W comes the letter X. X says X, X, X. X says X, X, X. Next up after the letter X is the letter Y. Y says Y, Y, Y. What does Y say? Y says Y, Y, Y. And last but not least, what's the last letter in our alphabet? It's Z, of course. What does Z say all by itself? Z says Z, Z, Z. Now that we took some time to review all of the sounds that our letters make, we're going to jump right into our activity. Remember, our directions say, look at each picture and determine the beginning letter sound that matches. So, taking a look at our first picture, this is a turtle. Turtle. Whoever you're working with, I want you to turn to them and I want you to tell them what you think turtle begins with. What's that beginning letter sound? If you said T, wonderful. Turtle does start with T. Moving right along, our next picture is of a beautiful zebra. I want you to think about what letter zebra starts with. If you said Z, excellent job. Zebra does start with the letter Z. Moving right along, this is a silly picture. It's a picture of an X-ray. X-ray. Kind of gives you the answer when you say the word. If you said X-ray starts with X, great job. Now, this next picture, This is a wagon. You see two little kids riding in that wagon together. Wagon. What does wagon start with? If you said W, you're correct. W. That's the sound that W makes. Here is the next picture. It's a creepy, crawly snake. Mrs. Coyote does not like snakes. Snake. What does snake start with? S. Snake starts with S. Here we have a beautiful rainbow colored umbrella. What does umbrella start with? Umbrella. Umbrella starts with the letter U. Two more to go. This is a picture of a volcano. Volcano. What does volcano start with? Volcano starts with V. Great job. And guess what? We're on our last picture. What color is that? That's the color yellow. What does yellow start with? Yellow. Starts with the letter Y. Great job. Air 5 to you through my screen. Great job. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.